How to add the Instagram highlight without posting it to your story. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Instagram. Now you have to know that the Instagram doesn't give you any option to post your story without adding in the highlight. So what you have to do is simply go into your press story icon and go in the story. Now you have to go in the settings and you have to click on the story. Now as you can see that here in the top there is the option of the viewing hide story from. You have to click on it and here you have to hide your story from all of your followers, because once you hide your story you are able to put it in the highlight without viewing from anyone. So you just have to hide from everyone, click on the done, and you have to go back and add your story. So once you put your story, you just have to add it into your highlight as you want. You can also create a new highlight, and after that you just have to simply add it. And after adding it, after 24 hours you just have to go in the more and you have to unremove all of your followers from your hide story. So this is how you can add your Instagram highlight without knowing anyone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.